Sure.
Like, I'm just gonna stand there and then take a picture of me.
Come.
No.
It's
Stop. Okay, so right, just get, you see this middle box thing, right? Just make.
apa tuh? Oh, got burung so beautiful on top.
Hello, forest.
We are in the forest. Kita di mana? National Park. Nih. National Park. Okay, back view. Okay, sure. Di National Park Perth, Australia. Lihat kanguru. Mana kanguru? Turun na.
John Forest National Park.
John Forest. Oh my god. So go. It's okay.
It came to my ear.
We want to go to the river, no? Just now.
Yeah.
You, let's go.
It's definitely cooling there.
The other side.
Take photo. Can you take photo of me over there? Take photo of me.
Okay, sure. Take photo kakak first. Nih, mau ambil foto dulu.
Baby.
Kita berfoto-foto dulu di sini.
Nanti ada kangaroo.
No lah.
Kangaroo Lisa ribu. Nanti makan you.
Tak lah, mana ada makan mie. Nih, kangurunya di sini.
Emang kalau kayak oke?
Ini panas tapi dingin. Panas tapi dingin. Where's the other one?
The other one there?
No, it's not the baby one. Kenapa lah dia takut? Orang kesini mau lihat kangaroo malah dia takut. It's okay.
He's jumping.
No.
He's jumping.
Oh, I know that. I see it. Eagle, is it eagle?
Hey, kangaroo, come here.
What? Want to see somewhere else? Ayo Allah. The fly go to my nose. Cuacanya panas tapi dingin. Sejuk nggak? Sejuk.
Pas dingin.
Dingin tuh macam sejuk lah. Sejuk tuh Melayu. Kalau dingin tuh Indonesia, bahasa.
You know, some people just say bahasa and they all know that it's Indonesia or Malaysia.
Bahasa. Kita mau cari sungai. Nih.
Very far lah. I want to walk. Here got this thing. You are here.
Just now this one what?
Jembrook Promenade. Here. Go here. On the right. This one. Let's go here. I don't want to go this 2 kilometer to the other one. But it's nice lah. But you want lah. Okay, so we go here.
Where? Left, right? There.
Jembrook Promenade.
That bird is so... There got another kangaroo there.
Another kangaroo there. Oh my god, so cute.
Okay.
There.
There?
Jembrook Promenade on the right.
Oh, on the right, you mean?
You can come back here, right?
No, it's just a pretend to feed on. Oh, I thought it's crocodile. That's scary. So scary. Oh, there, river. Right. No fish ayo ina. Want to fishing. Tak nak lah.
Let's see if fish are. Hey, the bee, there's a bee. No, that's not a bee, that's just a bee.
Ayun. Parrot.
Video.
Oh,
Oh, this is so beautiful river.
I want to go down the river.
Got the swan.
I want to go down.
Tak nak go down sana, kita nak tengok dari bridge. Kering banget sampai apanya? Come, let's see a duck. Yoina, come here. Go and see duck. Macam water rafting.
Godak.
Iya. Ada.
Godak.
Ada bebek berenang. The duck come to you. One foot lah. Turun. Come. Food lah, just why they near to you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Tuh, bebek.
Sorry. Can't see like lower.
Low.
I look short.
You already very tall.
Oh, I video gitu.
Apa tuh? Ah, grey color. They all come down. They think they got food, but we don't have food.
No.
Come. Sini. Yuina, you take picture of kakak. Oh my god. Anginnya kencang banget. Nih.
Quick. You think this? Hi. I want to go. Hi, come in.
Yui, help her. Ke pinggir nih. Ngejar bebek. Bebeknya kalau di sini kayak gitu, lehernya nggak panjang. Nih, ini river. Tuh pada terjun. Men, lari pula. Ini ada jembatan di sini tempat duduk. Maybe
Google.
magpie. Okay, you enough with the duck.
Okay, come here.
Let's go.